Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried rice the easy way. First, ensure you have day-old cold rice. This is crucial for a non-sticky result. Next, gather your ingredients. Think about your favorite vegetables, perhaps some peas and carrots, and a protein like chicken, shrimp, or tofu. Chop everything into small, uniform pieces so it cooks evenly and quickly. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add your protein first, whether it's chicken, shrimp, or another option, and cook it thoroughly until it's no longer pink. Then, toss in your chopped vegetables. Stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a bit of their crunch. This quick cooking method keeps them vibrant and flavorful. It's time to bring it all together. Add your cold, day-old rice to the pan with the cooked protein and vegetables. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the rice separates nicely. Now for the flavor. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir everything vigorously, making sure the rice is evenly coated and heated through. This step is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into delicious fried rice. Almost done. Give your fried rice a quick taste test. If it needs a little more saltiness, add a splash more soy sauce. For an extra kick, a dash of white pepper works wonders. Garnish your delicious creation with some freshly chopped green onions for a pop of color and freshness. You can also top it with a fried egg for a heartier meal. Serve your easy homemade fried rice immediately and enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.